guys, this is Ray's My Bake, and today we're getting ready for a tea party. We're making mini Snickerdoodles. We're gonna start by putting the flour. It's time for the sugar. A teaspoon of baking soda. A pinch of salt. I'm gonna go get the eggs. I'm gonna give it a little mix. It's egg time. Let's mix the butter in. Now I'm going to put in the eggs. Now it's done, let's add the flour. Make the sugar coating. Cinnamon. Now I'm going to cover in cinnamon. Okay, got it. Here. Now put some sugar on it. And then pick it up, then roll it. Now put it in the tray. See? Yeah.
Wow, James, you're making cookies?
Yeah. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Yeah. We're ready for our tea party with mini Snickerdoodles. Like and subscribe.